Na nababalita na babalik si Mariela sa ABS-CBN.
Oh my God, thank
ano
you,
yung
Lord.
reaction mo doon? Na,
Yung reaction ko,
are you
thank
ready
you, Lord.
to work again with
Oh my
yung three of
gosh.
you?
I've been ready forever. Oo, as in, wow, I've never lost touch with Mariel, although hindi kami talaga nagkikita physically, pero I'm so excited kung sakasakali makakabalik talaga siya kasi I've always said this na si Mariel, siya lang nakakagawa ng ginagawa niya eh. Siya lang yung personality na gano'n and never siya mawawala ng place on TV. Para sa akin Hindi ko alam kung biased ako dahil friend ako, pero ako, as a viewer, I enjoy watching her so much. So, if ever may chance for us to work together again, Tony, ako, Mariel, talagang, wow, super dream come true. Yeah.
Pero nabanggit na ba yun sa'yo?
Syempre, dream namin for her to come back to Big Brother kasi nauna pa nga siya sa akin eh. So, show niya talaga yun. I don't know.
Pinakidinami
I wish, ako,
Nakikinig
ako. Oo. So, yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Sana.
Have you ever imagined her parang being domesticated?
Never. Actually, nakakagulat na sa aming tatlo siya pa yung nauna and nakakagulat na sa aming tatlo siya pa yung parang actually, hindi naman nakakagulat. Parang ngayon naman, kita-kita mo bagay sa kanya yung parang mayordoma ng bahay na Donya na Stanford na organic fruits lang siya dyan. Ganon. O, yan ang kinaadikan niya ngayon. And ako more than anything, I'm just happy to see her happy. Kasi syempre, when Mariel and Robin got together, ang daming tumas ng kilay, ang daming nagsabi na it won't last. So to see them happy and so in love and going strong, it makes me super happy.
Tapos tawag dito si Mariel and Tony before ikaw yung naging middle nila, di ba? Ngayon ba medyo okay na yung dalawa na ready na rin si Tony
I think they're so okay. I mean, whatever happened before was so long ago. And, yeah.
Saka dito mo talaga makikita na parang yung everything happens for a reason. Like, for both of them, nahanap nila yung ano ba, gusto nilang
Yeah, I guess. I don't really still know why it had to happen. Yung parang medyo may falling out sila. But, again, things like that, parang, di ba, minsan nagpapatibay lang yun ang relationship in the future. So, yeah.
Thank you.